on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
Cruise Crew is your boy Jay Cruz on the AUDIOZONE channel here with Pops today, man. We're at the bank, as you can see, at Bank of America, man. We're actually walking out here today. We got something very special going on. We got something up our sleeves. I got a grin on my face, so you know, y'all gotta understand that means something, man. But you know what I'm saying? All I can say, man, is God is great. He's not good, he's great. Don't forget to always share, like, and comment below, man. But we are on our way to go pick up something that I've wanted since I was a kid. And an opportunity came around to not just get a one, but to get the one. And we are on our way, man, as we speak, to go and pick up a new toy for the AUDIOZONE family, man. All I can say is that Pops is always there with me. Y'all see my videos. We always doing things together. But when I get home,
we'll fix that, not Pop.
Bonsai runner, my bad. But when I get home, the only thing I know, I gotta tell my wife they gave it to me. Because if I don't tell her that, you know what I'm saying?
Remember what I said? It's always best for what?
Ask for forgiveness and permission. That don't work with my wife. My wife is a Puerto Rican. She gonna choke me. I don't even know what to tell y'all, man. But
remember, it's always better to ask for forgiveness.
Well, I'm gonna tell you right now. You wanna put Eddie in your bad side? You continue that in the video.
Yeah,
so you love you. I love you, Eddie, because she watches our videos.
But it's better to ask for forgiveness.
Yeah, but you know what? I'm not gonna go and co-sign on that, y'all. But like I was saying, man, I'm very, very grateful that God has put great blessings in our lives, where we're able to do these things and accomplish milestones, accomplish goals. You know what I'm saying? I'm a firm believer that, and this is for you guys want to get motivated. Here goes to Motivation 101. Everything in life, you have to look at it like an NFL game. You know what I'm saying? You become, you're in high school, you play your butt off to try to get to college, to try to get recruited to the NFL. When you're in the NFL, your greatest accomplishment is to get to Super Bowl. So you got to work yourself off and be different. People want to go party, you can't party. You have to just completely leave yourself focused to be able to give the best that you got on the field, like all the grit and everything you got. Well, once you get a Super Bowl, you're not a winner until the fourth quarter is over, right? So right now, you got to keep on grinding and fighting, for pressing forward and just doing everything you can, give it the best. You got a bruise, keep on trucking. You got to just give everything you got to be able to accomplish your dreams. And God has been with me to accomplish a new one. So I'm going to introduce you to a new car. Stay tuned. Cruise Crew. So we finally got to the location. But before I introduce you to the new member of our family, I want to give you who is here. Y'all seen him before. We bought two things from this young man so far. One was the Fox body, the other was the Coyote motor, and we're definitely coming back for some other stuff. But we did a while back that we're gonna come and pick something up. Bonsai runner, never leave my side. So what is it that we came to buy? I want you to kind of think of some of the video we posted, some of the information we gave out there, some of the hits we put out there, to what it is that the AUDIOZONE has up his sleeve. I mean, if you don't know, it's hard for you to know, but I'm only gonna tell you this. She bad. She's here, she's coming home, and expect to see a lot of great videos, man, a lot of great fun Mexico runs, a lot of great time with her, man. I want to introduce you to her.
And to make sure they keep in touch so they can see the whipping that I'm gonna give him with the Z06.
I don't know, man. He's dad. You know, dad is always on my videos talking about whipping with the Z06. But you know what? It's my dad, I let him be. But I want to introduce you guys. I want you guys to give her a name. We're gonna have him tell us a little bit and what it is that she has. So this is her. We got a Dodge Viper. She is twin turbo.
Twin turbo. It's a fully built motor. Heads cam. It's right about their horsepower. Motec controlled. Motec management. Calvo trans. Rear end's built. It's got a bolt-in cage in it. And same with the turbo kit and the engine build and the clutch and the fuel system. It was all in-house. Did the Motec control system on it. Calvo built the trans, and it's just a really fun street car.
So this is her, y'all. Look, we got the motor right there. This is the car, y'all. So we're about to turn her on for the first time and let y'all hear it rip, man. Just let y'all be the first ones to actually get to see her. She already got a roll cage built into it, as y'all could tell. We're gonna go through all the details, but let's get this and we turn her on for the first. In fact, Pop, can you turn her on? I want you to do it so you can feel what Mopar power is really like, Dad. Get in there and do a turn on her, Dad. Don't fall in love with it, because it's not for you.
It's like my friend.
Yeah. It's
The tuner said until it's fully warm, you just turn it on. Don't touch the throttle until it's
just turn on the car and let it idle, Dito. And you get it. It got a roll cage and everything in it, so it's not a regular car. That just tells you it's a lot faster than your Vet, but we'll talk about that later. She's manual.
it's push start.
You gotta push the button, you know, to turn it on.
Make sure it's in neutral.
Make sure the car's in neutral.
I left it in,
All right, hit the button. Right. Cruise. So at this point in time, I'm driving the Viper SRT 10 twin turbo. It's a different experience. It's a different kind of car. She's definitely a fast ass car. Like, wow, like, you know, damn, my cars that I own right now feel fast, but this feels ridiculous. It's just so different. Like, it's just different. Like, you're sitting on a, I mean, let me show y'all. So y'all can just see this here. Like, I hit the gas, the mile an hour, and you hear the turbos go. So I can actually react with mods of fame. Yeah, the turbo sound, fabulous, man. When it starts to spool, it gets ridiculous. It's got some controls inside that I'm gonna walk you guys through later. I got a couple knick-knack. I gotta do the AUDIOZONE touch to it because she's just, you know, done by whoever had it before. But it was an opportunity for a great price. I can just tell y'all that the money that was invested in just building the car, I paid half of that plus the car. So we're talking about, you know what I'm saying, the build of the car and the car. I just paid half of what the build was plus the car. So yeah, it was a great door open. I've always loved the Dodge Viper Gen 1s and so on. I just can't tell you, it's an exotic car. It's different. Everybody goes by, everybody's looking at you. It's not a commonly seen car. You don't see it every day. And it's a blessing that I got from God to be able to own one of my own. Title in hand, you know what I'm saying? I was able to buy it. And now you got to get used to it, man. So owning a car is one thing, getting used to it's another. The car is ridiculous. Like, it is ridiculous. I've never felt something so ridiculous, and it's not because of the power, but the whole way the car is set up is different, y'all. So I got it. She's going home. Now I have to kind of get used to it and start doing my builds on it. Start putting the AUDIOZONE touch to this car, and little by little just kind of make it mine, you know what I'm saying? Separate it from the rest and make it mine, y'all. But alright, y'all, so it's my first time driving the Viper, and I got a beautiful ZR1 back there that ran up to me in the gas station while getting some gas. I don't know how I'm gonna race and record. I don't have the camera set up, but I'm gonna do my best to bring y'all some footage of this run with that ZR1 just for fun, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know this car too well at all, to be honest with you, but you know what I'm saying? It's just part of the process of learning a car and driving it. I'm a runner with half boost because I got a boost controller inside the car, so I'm running at 50% and traction control 50% because I still don't know all the gimmicks about this car, but I will. So I'll try to do the best I can. So you see me with this camera around, it's just me trying to get y'all some coverage, man. So stay tuned. So I'm gonna drive and still have my phone because she's a manual. Let's see what happens. We got the ZR1 back there, look, coming around. Right there, beautiful car. Here's some sirens, I don't know what that is. That's an ambulance back there, right? Okay, y'all can't see because I got the phone there, but we got the ZR1 there. Let's see what happens, y'all. See, we got a little spot that we can go play at. So just for y'all to know, I don't know this car. I'm in second gear right now. I'm gonna do a 40 mile an hour to put me right around here. Look at my RPMs, how low they are. Right. The reason I'm doing that is I know this car too well, so I don't want to do something that I don't know or expect. But we'll see how she creates from there and how she goes. Stay tuned. That thing clean, bro. She clean. So he says he has a ZR1 FBO full bolt-ons. I don't know what he has. I mean, I really don't know what he has. I'm just, you know, I was out cruising around getting used to this car, and I ran into him. He wants to go for a roll, so you know what, we're gonna do what we do. I don't know this car very well. I don't understand her. I don't understand the traction control buttons. It's got a whole, which I will break a video for y'all. She's tuned by Cabo, so she's got boost controls and traction controls and all these weird different buttons, two-step for launch, all this kind of stuff, man. But you know what I'm saying, I'm just driving, trying to get used to it, and he pulled, hey, want to go for a run? I'm like, hey, you know, they gave it to me, so I'm gonna go give it to him. Hopefully, we'll see how that ZR1's a fast car, so hopefully we give it to him. We'll see. I'm gonna run half boost though. For action, y'all. me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. Fucking, whoa, excuse me for the cursing, but crazy shit. Wow.
Yeah, no, you could just watch out the cars coming off the highway. It's the only thing I can do. But yeah, I always tell somebody to hit them when they get in there. Yeah, yeah. Really? That was nice.
150 that fast.
That was nice. That was less than a quarter mile, wasn't it?
Way less than a quarter.
Oh, yeah, that was real nice. But now all the smoke, what is that?
That's because of the turbo. Right now, that one over there had a leak of oil.
Okay.
It's underneath you. They fixed it already.